That's very good. Okay, and draw a little belly.
So this is Laura and welcome to the Learning Reading Hub. Today I'll be sharing with you an example of a synthetic phonics lesson. The lesson that you're about to watch is actually me teaching my child the letter B. A little bit of context though before we get started. My child is 4 at the time of recording, and up to that point she had not had enough attention span to make it through a proper sit-down lesson. However, we had previously worked with her on getting familiar with letters and the fact that they have sounds, but in a more informal way. This phonics lesson plan is therefore great for our beginner readers, as you will see, because it is short, it is extremely simple, and it focuses a lot on training our ears to hear. Besides, it only focuses on one letter, which is ideal at this point because we don't really want to overwhelm our young students. At the end of the video, I will also share with you the exact script for this lesson, so you can use it for any letter, for any sound that you're trying to teach. By the way, since you're here watching this video, I'm going to assume that it is pretty likely that you've got a child at home and that you want to start teaching him or her to read. If that is the case, check the video description because in there I'll be sharing with you how to get a free copy of this ebook, How to Teach a Child to Read from Scratch, step by step. And now if you're ready for the lesson, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and let's get started.
So today we're going to learn about the letter B.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the letter B. Can you look at it? And it makes the B sound.
Yeah.
Can you make that sound?
B.
That's very good. B. Okay, so now Mommy is going to draw the letter B, and then you're going to do the same, okay? Okay, so I'm just going to raise this. And this is the way it goes. You make a line, and you make like a belly. Okay, and draw a little belly. Yes, the letter B has a little belly.
Yeah, and 2 bellies.
2 bellies, that's right. Can you actually hear the sound B in belly? Yes?
B.
B. And what about the word bat? Can you? Yes. Is there a B sound there?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And in bike?
Yeah.
Yes. And what about cake? Can you hear the letter B?
Yes.
In cake, can you hear the sound B?
Baby.
Baby, that's right. Can you think of more words?
Stickers.
What's that?
Stickers.
Stickers. B. We're looking for the B sound. Okay, that's the next thing I was gonna ask you to do. Can you find the letter B here? Almost. Try again. It's very similar. Oh, that's right. But let's go back. Cake. Can you hear the sound B in cake? B. Bicycle. Good. But
Baby.
cake. Baby. Yes, okay. And B. Can you hear the sound B in B?
Yeah.
Okay.
B.
And what about a snake? Can you hear the sound B in a snake?
No.
No. Okay. And cake?
C.
Think about it.
Fish.
Can you hear it?
Ballerina.
Ballerina. That's a good one. Okay. I'm gonna.
Beach.
Yes, that's right. I'm gonna say another one. Elephant. Can you hear the B sound in elephant?
No.
No. Can you hear the B sound in cake? B.
No.
No. Okay. What about fish? Can you hear the B sound in fish?
No.
No. Okay. And what about bowl?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. And now I want to see if you can find the letter B here. Where is it? Good. What about here? Good job. And I'm gonna give you lots of options now, but I want you to find the letter B. Which one is the letter B? Okay, Mommy.
Mommy, put them together. Need to do a big line.
Okay.
No. Look at the line. Let's do this.
This one goes like this, but we haven't learned that one yet.
Here's the king.
Okay.
The king needs to be here.
Okay. Which one is the letter B? This one goes like this.
The king.
Think about it. Think about it. Don't play. Just think about it.
Is it that one?
The letter B. We've just learned the letter B. Look at it.
Which
one is the letter B?
This one.
Good job. Very
B.
good.
Okay, so the script goes like this. Step number 1, you say what you're going to be learning. So today we're going to learn all about the letter B. Step number 2, you introduce the letter and the sound. This is the letter B and it makes the B sound. Step 3, ask your child to say the letter sound a few times. Step 4, draw the letter on a paper or a whiteboard and then you ask your child to do the same. If he's still too young or she's still too young, you can ask your child to actually draw the letter with a magic pen, that is drawing the letter in the air. Step number 5, brainstorm about the letter B. Say a few words containing the letter B and ask your child if he or she can hear the letter B in those words. Then ask your child if he or she can think of words that start with the letter B. Step number 6, show your child a text or a group of letters and see if he or she can spot the letter B. There is an extra step that you can add depending on your child's automaticity level at recognizing letters and saying their sounds, which is reading some simple words containing letters that he or she already knows about. Simple words such as busy words, vowel consonant words, or CVC words, consonant vowel consonant words, are ideal at this point. If you want to make a short refresher again at the end of the day, that's perfect. I was not able to record my refresher, but basically what I did was to remind her again about the letter B and the sound it makes, and ask her to find the letter B on this toy and push the key with the letter B. So you got to hear the sound of the letter B and some words starting with the letter B. Okay, you may also want to watch this other video where not only do I share with you this synthetic phonics lesson, but also give you lots of other ideas on how to start teaching letter names and letter sounds to young children.